Hi everyone, my name is Vedas and my trainer name is Dinesh sir. Today we are going to discuss topic about selectors. Selectors is nothing but defined as apply styling to the group of elements is called as selectors. In these selectors, we have totally 5 types. First one is ID selector, class selector, element selector, element selector, and the last one is universal selector. ID selector, class selector, element selector, and universal selector. These are the 5 types of selectors to apply styling for the different types elements and same kind of elements. And the first one is about ID selector. ID selector is used to apply styling for the particular it having unique IDs for certain unique IDs, and then for that having which element having certain unique IDs, we can apply styling by this ID selector and we can denote it by as hash. And second one is class selector. Class selector is nothing but apply styling for same types of styles to the different elements by using this class selector, and it is denoted by with dot. And the third one is element selector. It can be represented with tag by tag name. Apply styling to the same kind of elements by using this element selector. And fourth one is element by tag name. Element selector is nothing but apply styling to the different same kind of elements by this element selector. And the last one is universal selector. It is represented with star. By using this universal selector, we can apply styling to the whole body part. These are topic about selectors. Thank you.